Train's leaving. Do I get on the train?
Don't get on the train, I'm not sure he's on it. Give us a minute. Bond. What? Get on the train.
He's keen to get home.
Open the door, please. Open the door.
Health and safety. Carry on.
You caught me. Now, here's your prize.
I do hope that wasn't for me.
But that is.